Hello, allow me invite all of us again to a continuing series of understanding the children related ministries within the Seventh-day Adventist Church, hoping that we are doing great and this finds you well. Today, we want to share something to do with the children's ministries, and we are going to compare what makes it different from the junior youth ministries, the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club. Welcome. So the first thing that we need to understand is that the club ministries, we have club ministries, and these club ministries, two of them are the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club. So what makes it different with the children ministries? Number one is that in the club ministries, Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club, people register to be members. You qualify to be a member voluntarily through registration. In children's ministries, there's nothing like subscribing to be members. According to the manuals that we have. But every church has its own way of doing things. But generally, children's ministries, there is nothing to do with registration or subscribing to be members. But in the Pathfinder and Adventurer Club, we have. That's one. Number two, in the children's ministries, it has multiple ministries that makes the ministry. It's called children's ministries. So it has ministries that members who are part of it, or children who are within the church setup, are supposed to join ministries within the children's ministries. But when you look at the Pathfinder, the Adventurer Club, it works on class from Little Lamb, Early Bird up to Helping Hands, that is Adventurer. Pathfinder from Friend to Guide. So you can see there is a big difference between the children's ministries, because here there are ministries that makes the children's ministries, and then we have Pathfinder, which has the classes, and Adventurer having classes. That's another difference that we have within the two ministries. Another thing that is different is that in the Pathfinder and the Adventurer Club, these classes, whenever someone finishes one class, he or she is expected to be invested, which we call, quote unquote, graduate to the next class. But in the children's ministries, there's nothing like investiture. There's nothing like someone is now graduating in his or ministry, meaning that as long as the child is within the bracket that is stipulated in the manual, that person will maintain and continue growing in the same ministry that this person is. Another thing that is also unique is that the children's ministries, the last age as per the manual that we have is 14 years, as compared to the children's Pathfinder, the Adventurer Club, which start from 4 to 15 years. But for the children's ministries, is from birth, which is zero age, up to 14 years. That's another big difference that we have between the children's ministries and the junior youth ministries. So those are some of the few things that make these clubs unique. So in the children's ministries, it is totally ministries. There are multiple ministries. There are others that are suggested within the church, the children's ministries handbook, and there are others that a local church can have. So in our subsequent sharings, we'll have to understand what are these ministries that make these children's ministries to be a ministry. May God bless you. Let's keep learning. Cheers.